फातोड्डेचो हुमकळिल्लो बस टर्मिनस निमाणे जात असो दिसता। 350 कोटींचो प्रकल्प सरकार दक्षिण गोंयच्या लोकांकय समान पळयता म्हूण आमदार मंत्री विजय उलयला। ताणें बस टर्मिनसाचो प्लान सांगलो। प्रकल्पाक खंय लोकांचो तेंको मेळ्ळा। मुख्यमंत्री गोंयांत नासतनाय प्रोजेक्ट रिवायव्ह जाल्ल्यान सरकार एक्टिव्ह आसा हें खंय स्पश्ट जाता। काँग्रेसीचो आमदार मुख्यमंत्री आसतनाय खंय ताका तें जमलें ना।
फातोर्डा मडगांव बस टर्मिनल म्हणटो आमी करपाक विचार काडलो, म्हयनो पसून जावंक ना। हो जो इशू गेले 5 वर्सां एड्रेस जावंक नासलो। हाजे पयलीं जेन्ना स्थानीक आमदार चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतना हो इशू जावंक नाशिल्लो, तो आतां आमचो मुख्यमंत्री अमेरिकेक आसतना हो आमी इशू रिवायव केल्लो आहा। सो दीस इज अ गव्हर्मेंट दॅट वर्क्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज कन्सर्न्ड अबाउट द पीपल ऑफ साउथ गोवा. This is a major project for the people of South Goa. It's a long overdue project. People have always been saying that the existence of the bus stand as is a symbol of neglect of South Goa. So now that we have taken up this issue and we have got support from most of the stakeholders, almost all the stakeholders who have taken resolutions in favor of having a Fatorda Margaon bus terminal. So at the onset, I am very happy that our initiative has got public consent, public support. Estimated cost is around 350 crores.
These were designed 6 years back by them.
No, this has been changed. What was designed was also designed by them, but it has been...
For 134 that
No,
6 years back.
no. They have changed.
This is stressing more on the bus stand part. The commercial activity.
अरे त्यांना एक हे आसलें कितें ते गाडयेचे फ्रॉम हियर टू द स्टेडियम.
It was more of an entertainment park.
सगळे आणले म्हणतात ते सगळे काढला मरे आमी.
गोंयच्या बार्जवाल्यांचे संघटनेक बँकाकडच्यान 6 म्हयन्याची थाकाय। बार्जवाल्यांकडच्यान वसुलीक फुडले 6 म्हयने खर पावलां उखलूं नाकात म्हणून राज्य पावड्यावेले बँकिंग कमिटीन बँकांक सांगलां। संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष रेमंड डिसा मिडिया कडेन उलयलो। संघटनेचे शिष्टमंडळ केंद्रीय अर्थ राज्य मंत्री शिवप्रताप शुक्लाक मेळिल्लें। ताणें स्टेट लेवल बँकिंग कमिटीक हातूंत लक्ष घालूंक सांगिल्लें।
Minister for State Finance, Delhi, and instructions were given to Finance Secretary to relax on the loans of Goa barge owners because we are not willful defaulters. Plus, banks started taking actions on houses, started serving notices, auctioning the houses. And based on that, meeting was called. And chairman of the SLBC meeting, who came from Bombay, has told all the banks to speak to their head offices and to stop taking actions for next 6 months. We told Madam, the chairman, that we are not asking for 100% waiver. We are only asking to freeze our loans after collateral, after OTS debt relief scheme, and we are ready to pay the loan after the business starts in Goa.
माजोड्ड्या दर्यावेळेर मेल्लो डॉल्फिन व्हांवन आयला। 2 मीटर लांबायचो मोठो डॉल्फिन सोमारा सांजे वेळेर व्हांवन आयलो। पळयल्यार तो बऱ्याच दिसां फाटीं मेला आसुये। माजोड्ड्या दर्यादेगेर हो मेल्लो डॉल्फिन दिसतनाच दृश्टीच्या लायफ गार्डांनी गजाल टुरिझम स्टाफाच्या कानार घाली। आतां ताचो विलो लावपाचें चल्लां। घेव एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।